Assalamu alaikum. I am going to teach exercise 2.1, question number 4. Represent the following numbers on the number line. See first part 2 by 3. Draw a number line. Mark the center point as 0. Positive integers are represented right to 0 and negative integers are represented left to 0. This number is proper rational number because denominator is greater than numerator. Denominator is 3. Make equal 3 part of length between 0 and 1. 1, 2, 3. Numerator is 2. Make move 2 part 1 to 2 by 3 number lies at this point. This rational number is proper form. Every proper rational number lies between 0 and 1 or 0 and -1. This number lies between 0 and 1 at this point. See fourth part. Fourth part is improper rational number. Every improper rational number we will convert into this form. 2 is quotient and 5 is remainder and 8 is a divisor. This number lies between -2 and -3. Denominator is 8. Make equal 8 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And numerator is 5. Move 5 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number lies at this point. How to represent the irrational number on the number line? First, draw a line. Mark center point as 0. Positive integers are represented right to 0 and negative integers are represented left to 0. Take base, the length of base 2 unit and the length of perpendicular 1 unit. Base and perpendicular from both any one length should be equal to 1 unit. I take the length of perpendicular 1 unit. We can find any length of right triangle. This is a right triangle. We can find any length of right triangle by using the Pythagorean theorem. See, hypotenuse is OB square and base is 2 unit and perpendicular is 1 unit. 2 to the 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Take a positive square root both side. We get into OB is equal to square root of 5. This hypotenuse is equal to square root of 5. Take radius square root of 5 length and draw a circle. Circle will be cut at right hand side and also left hand side. We will take right hand side point where circle will be cut, where circle will cut at point P. Radii of the same circle, we know that the radius, all radius are equal to each other of same circle. The length of radius OB, we also say this is hypotenuse OB is equal to the length of OP. So square root of 5 lies at point P. By drawing an arc with center O and radius O and radius OB is equal to square root of 5, we get a point P at a number line representing square root of 5 on the number line, and this rational number square root of 5 will lie at this point P. Thanks.